I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Grok Build on Linux operating system, such as Red Hat, Fedora, SU, SC, etc. To get the command in Google search box, write there Grok Build, then go on this x.ai site. Click this. Then you can see here, bring Grok into your terminal. So this is the command. You need to copy. Thereafter, open the terminal and this here you need to paste this command. Press enter. So fetching latest for stable version. This version is now installing. Currently this is downloading as well as the installing the Grok inside the Linux operating system. This here Grok that install. So this is here Grok location and this is the asset location. Now the location of the path that updated. So this here dot base rc here path that's updated. Now the next is if I write there Grok minus minus version. So you can see 214 that install. If you write there Grok minus h, so this all helping contents that's displaying there. So this you can see. Now the next is let's use their clear command. If I write there Grok, so by writing this here, or you can see this that's open. So you need to go on this your browser. There you can get the Grok link here. You can see. So there you need to do the login. So login with X account, Google or Apple. Let's use their Google account. So here you need to do the sign in. And in this all that's come there. Click on this allow. Now here connection successful. Thereafter here the next is you need to go back to your browser Grok. Here you can do the subscribe, log out or quit.